Hello folks, welcome back to the Eric Michaels Show, and on today's video I'm going to talk to you about affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when people advertise a company's products or services and that advertising winds up in a sale. Those companies will then pay a small commission to the person who did the advertisement and brought in the sale. Brilliant! Ooh, have you tried the barbecue from Hard 8? It's delicious! Have you ever been to a piano bar? It's a lot of fun. There's singing and dancing and lots of joyous activities. You should check it out. My PlayStation VR is my favorite possession. Playing in virtual reality is absolutely tons of fun. Yeah! Ooh, my wife and I found a good place to get a gyro the other day. And it was amazing. Best lamb meat. This place over off of 183. I forget where. I need to look it up. But you gotta go. Have you played The Legend of Zelda? It's one of the greatest games in the world, if not the greatest game. I'm sure you've heard of it. The Legend of Zelda. Oh, your legend perceives you. There's this really cool place over by Fort Worth. It's called Burgers Lake, and it's awesome. They have water slides and diving boards and high dives and all kinds of stuff. You gotta go check it out. Bring your kids. It's so fun. Have you ever heard of Sports Clips? Mm-hmm. So these are all examples of word of mouth advertising, which is by far the best form of advertising. But wouldn't it be cool if these companies were paying you to do these referrals? You're doing these types of referrals anyway, always referring to your family and friends, restaurants that you've checked out, movies that you like, products that you use and love. And this is why affiliate marketing is so great. So basically what happens is you find a product or service that you absolutely love and adore. Then you go onto that company's website and you sign up to be an affiliate for that company. And then you advertise that product or service, telling people that you use it, that you absolutely love it, and why they should buy it. Keep in mind, if you're going to be an affiliate, you want to be an affiliate for things that you actually love and use every day. Don't be affiliates for things that you don't believe in or for things that don't align with your brand. Remember, you want to build trust with your audience, so make sure all of your affiliates are authentic, meaning they're things that you love and use every day. For example, if you want to buy a custom domain, you can do so right now for only $5.98 for the first year under Namecheap. Namecheap is who I buy all my domains from. I've got 3 with them so far, and I plan to use them in the future for all of my domains. They have been great. I've been using them for over a year, and like I said, I continue to plan on using them forever. So one example of affiliate marketing is, hey guys, I use and love Namecheap for my domains, so I recommend that product, and right now you can take advantage of the sale and get your domain for just $5.98 for that first year if you use my affiliate link below. Now you do have to add a disclaimer. If you use my affiliate link, I may earn a small commission, so I thank you. And bam! Just like that. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Happy Friday. You know what's better than Friday? Black Friday. And Black Friday is coming up in just 2 short weeks. Therefore, I did want to tell you about the opportunity to take advantage of now. Another example of affiliate marketing is GROOVEFUNNELS. You guys know that I love and use GROOVEFUNNELS every day. I've been using the platform to build and sell websites and sales funnels, and it's been a lot of fun, and I absolutely love it. But I wanted to remind you, their lifetime access is going away forever December 10th. But you can take advantage right now of their sale price. So if you want to get grandfathered in like I did and take advantage of the platform for life, you'll never have to pay them another penny again for life, and you'll have everything you need to run your business. Again, GROOVEFUNNELS is an all-in-one platform that incorporates everything you need to run your online business and replaces all the other software that you are currently using. So, take advantage of the one-time price before it goes up again. Right now it is $19.97, so you can get the lifetime access for $19.97. After December 10th, they will be going up to a monthly membership, and it'll cost you $2.99 a month, which is still way cheaper than buying all the other software programs individually, but still, you can take advantage right now and save big if you buy the lifetime access right now. One payment of $19.97, or 2 payments of $9.99, or 3 payments of $6.99. And those are the different payment options available to you at this moment. So I'm sure you've heard the successful rich people talk about you need to get multiple income streams, and affiliate marketing is my favorite income stream. That anyone at any time can start earning an extra residual income. It's great because you don't have to have any products or services yourself. You simply just have to find products and services that you love and then advertise those products and services, and they will pay you a commission for doing that for them. Word of mouth is always the best form of advertising, and that's not going away anytime soon. I have joined lots of affiliate programs, but GROOVEFUNNELS is my favorite. It is the most lucrative affiliate program that I've found. For example, GROOVEFUNNELS does have a free version that you don't even have to enter a credit card for. So if you don't have a free version, please grab one now. I'll have the link in the description below. Go ahead and click on it and grab your free account now. Another reason to upgrade though is because it makes the affiliate program even more lucrative. So with the free account, you'll still get 20% of your sales in commissions. But another reason to upgrade is that if you upgrade, your commissions will double from 20% to 40%. Also, you'll be added 10% commissions on tier 2, meaning if you sign up affiliate and they sign up affiliate under them, you'll get 10% of that sale as well. That's huge! There are not too many places where you can earn hundreds of dollars from just one affiliate sale, and that is another reason why I absolutely love GROOVEFUNNELS and why everyone must grab it. If you have an online business or thinking about an online business, then you need Groove. Or if you just want to have fun with your hobbies and explore what you can do with different websites and funnels and all their tools for free, check it out. All right, well, in conclusion, affiliate marketing is awesome. All you do is tell people about the products and services that you love and use every day, and the companies that make those products and services will pay you a small commission for that advertising. My favorite affiliate program is definitely with GROOVEFUNNELS, and you should take advantage of their Black Friday pricing before it goes away forever. And keep in mind, you only have till December 10th, 2021 before the lifetime access goes away forever. And GROOVEFUNNELS will up their prices to $2.99 a month, which is still great. It's still cheaper than paying for all the other software programs that you need to run an online business. But that doesn't have to be you. You can get grandfathered in right now for the one-time payment of $19.97. And if you just make a couple affiliate sales, then you'll pay for your own membership, and anything after that will be pure profit, and you'll have the software to use for life to run your business. All right, guys, take advantage of the Black Friday pricing. Buy GROOVEFUNNELS today before the prices go up December 10th. If you don't already have a free account, go ahead and grab one. And if you're looking to buy a custom domain, I'll put my affiliate link to Namecheap down below, and you can get a website custom domain for only $5.98. Whoop whoop! See you next time. Have a good day. Please help support my channel by liking the videos, subscribing to my channel, and telling your friends about me. See you guys next time. Have a good one.
Just wanted to say that with the free account, you do get Groove pages and Groove sales, so you can build 3 web pages with 3 sales funnels, and you can sell unlimited products and services, and you can have unlimited affiliates. But if you pay and you get the lifetime version, then you get unlimited sites, unlimited funnels. You do get to use Groove Mail, but you only get 500 contacts a month, and you can send 5,000 emails a month. Once you upgrade, those numbers jump to 25,000. You can create 1 online course and have 1 membership with the free plan, or if you upgrade, you can have unlimited. With the free plan, you can have 15 videos, up to 5 gig limit on each, and you can have 1 blog. But again, if you upgrade to the lifetime membership, you can have all of this unlimited.
Huge, huge savings.
Huge.
Please keep in mind this might change. Oh, your legend precedes you.